If you are seeing this video now, it may be that you have produced a wonderful and high quality thumbnail for your YouTube video, just like this one. But then when you want to upload it, you see something like this. File is bigger than 2 MB. This is what we are going to solve in this video. Generally, YouTube doesn't accept thumbnails that are more than 2 MB. When you are uploading using your desktop, that is in the desktop mode of YouTube, what do? There are two ways of solving this problem. What we can do to reduce this is simply to go to image resizer.com. When you go to imageresizer.com, you go over to compress, not to resize, but to compress. Click on compress, image compressor. Then select the image. After it has finished loading, we compress. This is maximum file size you want. Compression doesn't reduce quality, especially when it is up to when you have the maximum file size by 100%. So it gives you the best quality too using this. So you can simply download this image. Once we have downloaded it now, we can see this is the image that we just produced. You can access this here, or you can also go to your download. Okay, so once we go here now, we click on change. Then we go to that place, the image we have downloaded this. You can see it is now uploading. So this is the first way you can do that. The second way is as simple as possible. Simply go to your phone, use that same image, even if it is up to 5 MB, go and click change thumbnail and then select that image. You can easily upload it, but you cannot do that using the desktop version. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a like and then subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment if you have any question.